So, my name is Jan Mafso. I'm from Oslo, Norway, and I'm 47 years old. I'm suffering from multiple sclerosis, and that's what brought me here to Manipal Hospital, Bangalore, where I've undergone treatment. That has totally stopped my disease, and I'm on my way to recovering remarkably fast and in a way I didn't think was possible just a year ago. This treatment I've undergone is called a stem cell transplant, where they take fresh stem cells out of my own body, kill off the sick white blood cells that causes the immune system to malfunction, and then they re-inject the stem cells into my body. They kind of take over the function of the white blood cells again, build new healthy white blood cells with no disease, no memory of the disease, and you're reborn, as they say, without the MS. The treatments part here at the hospital is pretty intensive, and one big part of it is you need to spend about close to a month in isolation room in a very special ward in the hospital. And not very many hospitals have this kind of rooms. They have a positive air pressure with totally filtered air, so there's no chance of contaminants, bacteria, viruses entering the room. And it's whenever a nurse or a doctor needs to come in to see you or to care for you, it's almost like they have to prepare for a spacewalk with gloves and masks and the full garb, and it's a very specialized and very expensive procedure. The rooms are made specifically for keeping contaminants out, so they're not that common. The treatment was conducted by Dr. Amit, who's almost, I guess, something of a legend in the field, and I've been not but pleased with him and with his entire crew. It's like a team of highly skilled professionals. All the nurses, all the doctors, it's truly, I think they're the best at what they do anywhere. Before coming here, I just came across this procedure when I was searching the internet for new treatments for multiple sclerosis about 1 year ago, so it's not that long ago. And there's only a few hospitals who do this at the moment. It's all experimental. And I applied with two. I applied in Germany, in Heidelberg, Germany, and I applied here in Bangalore. And I just figured whoever wants me is gonna get the chance to treat me. And I ended up coming here to Manipal. No regrets at all about that. It's been fantastic. I also want to mention that I'm staying at the Manipal Hospital guest house, kind of, the urban hotel, right across the street from the hospital. And the crew here is also equally super. If you have any kind of problem, whether it's here when you arrive or whether it's at the hospital, they will look after you and they will take care of it. They're extremely flexible, although they deal with people from all over the world. If you have a unique problem that you need help with, they'll find a solution. They're extremely good. So the good news is that I underwent the treatment without really having any problems to speak of. It wasn't comfortable, but I've been through much worse. It was a little bit boring to be in one room, stuck in one room for about 4 weeks, and that's about it. After getting out of the isolation ward or the hospital ward 1 month ago, pretty much exactly, I've made incredible progress. Today, just to mention one thing I did today, I was able to shower standing up, and I haven't done that in about 2 years. I have a shower stool that I have to use, I have to sit when I shower. Well, today I was able to stand. It's been about 2 years since I was able to do that. And I've already purchased a walker, a medical walker or a rollator, that I'm going to exchange the wheelchair for the rollator when I get home. I have used the exercise room here at the hotel to try and walk a little bit every day. And I've walked more the last month than I have in many years, probably since 2011. So I'm making remarkable progress. This is just the start. So I'm full of hope that I will be able to live a life that was just not possible even a few months ago. So all in all, I'm extremely pleased with the treatment. I'm extremely pleased that I came here to do it. I think they're second to none. I think the other hospital I mentioned in Heidelberg, Germany, is probably as good. I think it's the same thing, but I can't possibly believe that they're better, especially not the doctors. I mean, the doctors here are special, the nurses are special. They really look after you with such care, and I'm just humbled by the human part of it all. You know, I mean, a hospital bed is a hospital bed, and a room is a room, but the people here are just really warm, generous, and caring, unlike any I've ever come across. So, to sum it up, I'm extremely pleased and very happy that I came here to Manipal Hospital. I would absolutely recommend it, and I've gotten a new life since coming here, since starting the treatment. It's been a runaway success. It's changed my life, and I'm very pleased.